All right, guys, we are back. We are back. We are back. Well, look at this Sunday and another lovely meal from my beautiful fiance. Well, look at this. What we got here? We got fish. What kind of fish is this, baby? Oh, come on. What type of fish is it?
Flounder.
Flounder. Okay, we got some flounder and some white rice. Look how pretty it is. God damn, she can cook. I don't know what that is. Is it salad or
Salad.
salad? What type of dressing, sweetie?
I
Mm.
don't know. Some kind of sweet dressing.
Some kind of sweet dressing. You just poured it on that, didn't you? Didn't even care,
I
huh?
do care.
You said you do care? Oh, it sounds like she care, don't it? Don't it, y'all? All right, so we go test the fish out. Cause I don't know if y'all know it or not, but I had a little nightmare that, you know what I'm saying, especially the rice that I flipped the table because it didn't taste right. But you know how her cooking is. You know how good it tastes, right, y'all? Okay, so here go the rice right here. Let's see. Mm, Y'all, this is some perfect rice. See that? Ain't nobody flipping the table. Ain't nobody doing nothing. Good, good, good.